Hello everyone, good morning to all of you guys. So, kumusta kayo guys? Maaga ako na busy guys, as you can see my hair. So, look fresh naman guys, pero tuyo na siya guys. No? Maaga kasi ako na busy guys, naglakad na ako papunta doon. So, yun ang ano natin guys. Let's have coffee guys. Ayun, may mga ano pa tayo guys. May mga tira. Kain. Kainin na lang guys, no? Kasi sayang man din. So, I hope na kapag coffee na din kayo dyan, guys. Kapag kape na din kayo, no? At breakfast na din ang iba dyan. Si Miming andyan din sa harap ko, guys. Have a nice day to all of you guys. Thank you for watching. Where you go? You give that to the love to Mimi, be? Miming, guys. Naku talaga si Miming. Very good, Ming, that you are here now. Okay. So, yun lang guys, ang update natin. So, guys, as you can see that Miming, oh, how really feel that, you miss me? Did you miss me? Galing kasi ako sa guys, nag-attend ng meeting. So, I just got back, guys, here. So, kakarating ko lang. Ayun, si Miming, oh, he really feel happy that he stayed din dito, guys. Kung saan ako. So, I think you really miss me. You feel happy now? Okay. Thank you so much.